Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don't describe presiding priest of St. Francis Catholic Church, Benin City, Reverend Father Andrew Agbe Obiyan, as gift and charismatic Reverend Father. Comrade Shaibu talked this one for the 25th Silver Jubilee Ordination Anniversary celebration of Reverend Father Obiyan, which shall on Sunday for St. Francis Catholic Church, College Road, Benin City. Oga Shaibu con talk say Father Obiyan gets many names, and the most important one wey him know na very strict Reverend Father, spiritual and charismatic, and say may Baba God continue to keep am for a vineyard as vessel of honor to spreading the gospel of Christ, and may him calling continue to flourish from glory to glory and strength to strength.
Obiyan has many names. The most important one that I know is that he's a very strict Reverend Father, and he's also a very spiritual Reverend Father, a charismatic Reverend Father. And I pray that God continue to keep him in his vineyard, and his calling will continue to flourish from glory to glory, strength to strength. Congratulations, Father Obiyan.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.